Welcome to BreederCloudPro. Today, I'll walk you through the dashboard, your central hub for managing all aspects of your breeding operations. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your upcoming tasks, notifications, applications, waiting lists, and contracts all in one convenient location. The overview section shows upcoming heat section displays your next breeding cycles. The upcoming litter section shows expected due date so you can prepare accordingly. The litter scheduler is your at-a-glance hub for everything that needs to be done for each litter. It shows upcoming tasks and due dates in one place, so you always know what's next without digging through individual litter records. When you finish something, just change the task to complete or remove, and the system automatically updates the litter's record for you. Moving down, we have the notification section. This is crucial for staying on top of all your tasks and reminders. General notifications are for everyday chores and to-dos, while medical notifications are tied to a specific animal, perfect for keeping health items like vaccines and treatments on schedule. Everything is easy to scan at a glance, and you can create a new reminder in seconds. Choose where it's delivered, dashboard, email, or text, then mark it complete or remove it when you're done. Now let's look at the application section, which manages incoming applications from potential buyers. At the top, you'll find the new application alerts configuration. When checked, you'll receive text or email alerts for new applications. To the right, there's a purple Edit Create button. This allows you to design new application forms, modify existing application questions, customize what information you collect from applicants, preview your applications, and share the links. The purple area section shows all incoming adoption requests. Import users that have filled out your application with a simple click or view the contact with a simple click. The waiting list section helps you organize prospective buyers by litter or preference. At the top of this section, you will see the Create New button with plus icon to add a new waiting lists. Waiting lists are displayed as individual blocks, each with a color-coded header. Create the name of the waiting list, example Future Brown Mini or whatever you want. Click on the three dashes to add a note to the waiting list. Note: specific preferences or requests. Pick, position in line, first pick, second pick, etc. If user is saved in your contact, you can add them here or just add their name in the notes. This system helps you manage who gets priority when new arrivals become available. Contract section is your hub for managing all legal agreements, whether for sales, co-ownership, sire services, guardian programs, or deposits. After selecting a contract, you will be able to create or reuse a template. Contacts and buyers receive pet portal access after signing a contract. They can view completed contracts and puppy details in the portal. Permissions of what can be viewed on the portal is modified for each contact via the Contacts page. The Unsigned Contracts table shows all contracts that have been sent but are awaiting signature. Status shows awaiting signature. The Signed Contracts table displays all successfully completed agreements. The buyer's name and date the contract was officially signed. This section helps you maintain a complete record of all your agreements. And that's a comprehensive overview of the BreederCloudPro dashboard. This central hub helps you track upcoming heats and litters, manage notifications and medical reminders, process applications efficiently, organize waiting lists, handle contracts seamlessly. Everything you need to run your breeding operation is organized and easily accessible from this dashboard. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you make the most of BreederCloudPro.